Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having guys a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500 Abarth, we will explain how to replace ignition coil. We'll be demonstrating on the Abarth, but even if you have a 1.4 turbo, it may work as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys and common mistakes people make, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here guys. Okay, this, okay, right here, okay, this right here is the Fiat 500 Abarth. In order to get to the ignition coils, you will need to remove the intake air filter box. How to remove air filter box on Fiat Abarth? If you want, you can check out the video step by step on our channel. Common mistakes people make. Make sure you never drop anything in the intake manifold here, because if you do, it will go through the turbo, you will destroy your turbo intake, it will go in the engine, destroy your engine guys. So be very careful when you remove the air filter box assembly. Again, the video is on our channel, how to remove air filter box assembly. If you have problems with ignition coils not working correctly, always make sure that you have right here the ground wire clean and it doesn't have any corrosion as well. When you start from the very left side of the engine to the right, you have cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is ignition coil cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, cylinder number 3, cylinder number 4. How do you guys remove those coils? It's actually pretty simple. Right here, that yellow thing, okay, you will need to grab that thing. Let's explain now. We're going to remove that one quick, so we can show you on cylinder number 1, because we have one number 1 that's actually getting us a code for a bad coil. We'll remove the hose so you can see how to do that. All the other coils are accessible. This is for the PCV valve here. Okay, so okay, let's see. We might need to remove. Let's see if that clamp is still holding. I think it's still holding, by the way. There. I think it's still holding. Okay, it's still stuck a little bit on the bottom. So what we can do, okay, we can actually get a second pair of pliers and I can move that hose a little bit, or we can get a prying tool or a screwdriver to push it out of the way. So when we remove the clamp, okay, let's see if that clamp is still holding. Nope. Okay, perfect. We push it out. This is your PCV, okay, system right here for the gas. Now that ignition coil guys, okay, right here, that yellow thing needs to be pulled out. Okay, check it out now. You just grab it with your nails or screwdriver, be gentle, push it out. Now you push the ignition coil in to release the pressure of the clip, push down here, pull the connector out. Okay, 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead, remove the bolt. The moment you do that, you grab it, it might be stuck on the spark plug. Okay, stuck quite a bit by the way, really stuck. Okay, and it came out. It was really stuck on the spark plug. You can see how deep the spark plug is. If you have engine oil in the ignition coil guys, right here or on the spark plug, that could be problems with cylinder head gasket, valve cover. It could be multiple things, so that needs to be inspected there. But you can see that's how you remove ignition coil. That's how you replace it if you need to do that. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.